Sponsored by Purina. Kittens are just too cute. They're very good at entertaining themselves. I like that one so much. It's like a mini Freya. The colorful one. I miss Freya so much.
Look at that. Look at that.
This is the Friskies Playhouse for shelter cats. So maybe you can adopt them here. So we, in front of that Amsterdam cafe that I showed you in another video, we are in front of Paws Way by Purina. Purina, that's how you pronounce it, right? And you can go and see some kittens and get some information on animals. Basically cats and dogs though.